Just plug in your USB flash drive, then go to your taskbar search, type CMD, and open it as an administrator. Now go and open your File Explorer, select this PC icon, and check the drive letter of your USB. In my case, it's G. Now, from the command prompt, type this check disk command. You can copy it from this video's description. Just write your assigned USB drive letter in place of G and hit enter. Now Windows will repair it for you. But if it doesn't work, go to the File Explorer window, open your USB flash drive, and back up all of the important files because now we will format it. Just right-click on your USB flash drive, select Format, and a new pop-up will open. From this window, copy these exact settings, click on Start, and confirm it. After the format is complete, close these windows, and you are done. Now your USB is as good as new. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.